Hello guys, welcome back to CAD Make. In today's video we are going to design this beautiful pulley by using essential features and commands to bring our sketch to 3D design life. We'll also customize sections, transparency and appearance to give our material a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the right plane. Take the center line command. Draw a vertical line and one horizontal line passing through origin point like this. Click Exit. Now take the line command and draw a rough sketch like this. Draw a horizontal line. Then draw vertical line. Again draw a horizontal line. Then vertical line. Horizontal line. Then draw an inclined line. Again draw a horizontal line. Now vertical line. A horizontal line in opposite direction. Again an inclined line and the last one met it to the center line. Click Exit. Now select half of this sketch like this. Click on Mirror Entities. Click here and select this line as a reference. Click OK. Here we see we have mirrored the sketch perfectly. Now take Line command and close the sketch like this. Click Exit. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the value from this line to this one as 70 mm. Click OK. Distance from center line to this line is 40 mm. Click OK. Vertical distance from this line to this one is 146 mm. Click OK. Distance between this line and this one is 130 mm. Click OK. Vertical length between this line and this one is 120 mm. Click OK. Distance from here to this line is 100 mm. Click OK. Length from this vertical line to the center line is 10 mm. Click OK. Total length of this line is 40 mm. Click OK. Distance from this point to the center line is 7 mm. Click OK. Total distance from this line to the center line is 32 mm. Click OK. Make the sketch rearrange and make it a little normal like this. Again take the Smart Dimension command and give the angle from center line to this line as 25 degrees. Click OK. Zoom out. Now take the sketch a little bit above the center line like this. Reset all the up and down dimensions one by one like this. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the distance from this line to this one as 12 mm. Click OK. Here the angle is 25 degrees. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now select this line, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this one. Make them parallel. Click OK. Select this point, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this one. Make them vertical. Click OK. Here we see our sketch is fully defined. Now go to the features and click on Revolved Boss command. Click here and select the sketch. Click here and choose this center line as an axis of revolution. Click OK. Zoom out. Click isometric to make it normal. Go to the visual styles and remove the shaded mood. Here we see it looks perfect. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Select this edge. And this one. Click Convert Entities. It will create circles. Now take the corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle here like this. Click OK. Take the center line command and draw a line from origin this circle quadrant like this. Click Exit. Now select the line midpoint, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select Circle Quadrant. Make them coincident. Zoom out. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the dimension to this rectangle as 20 mm, click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Take the Trim Entities command and erase all these extra lines like this. Also erase this circle and this one from here like this. Zoom in. Click OK to accept. Now take the Circular Pattern command. Click here and select the origin point. Give the pattern number as 5. Now click here and select all these line entities one by one like this. Click OK. Go to the features, click on Extruded Cut command. Choose here through all. Click here and select all these contours like this. Click OK. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing now. Press Ctrl+7 to make it normal. Now go to the appearance. Click on Metal. Click Nickel and choose the brushed nickel. It looks amazing now. Go to the background scene and select plain white. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.